Falcons have already won the first clash against Dambulla Sixers in the 2024 Lanka Premier League season. Both the teams had met in the 2023 LPL final where Kandy Falcons emerged victorious. In matches between the two sides across seasons, Kandy Falcons have dominated. For more insights on this Kandy vs Dambulla clash on Monday, tune in to our video. The R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo has hosted 47 T20 internationals, where the toss win to match win percentage is 53.19%. Premadasa Stadium will host the final leg of the 2024 LPL season. The average first innings score at this venue is 151 and the average second innings score is 128. Kandy Falcons may bring in Pawan Ratnayake in place of a struggling Mohammad Haris. Dambulla Sixers playing 11 would most likely remain unchanged. In head-to-head record in 10 matches between the two teams, Kandy Falcons have won 6 and Dambulla Sixers 4. Kamendu Mendes bats at a crucial position and is yet to make an impact barring one half-century this season. With the tournament moving into the business end, Mendes will have a huge role to play. Vinendu Hasaranga is a match winner in the T20 format because of his all-round skills. His bowling record in the Lanka Premier League speaks volumes about his ability. Kushal Perera has already made a great start to the 2024 LPL season, which includes a century. In 28 innings in the LPL season, Perera has scored 730 runs at a strike rate of 140.38. An experienced bowler who takes the responsibility of bowling in the crucial power play overs from 31 innings in the LPL, Pradeep has picked 46 wickets at an average of 21.82. A prolific run scorer top of the batting order for Kandy Falcons, Dinesh Chandimal has scored 1,306 runs in the Lanka Premier League at an average of 35.29. Kandy Falcons may persist with Mohammad Haris despite his failures in the last 3 matches. Haris would be an avoid pick for Kandy Falcons. Mark Chapman is having a great run in his debut Lanka Premier season, where he scored 189 runs in 5 innings at a strike rate of 154.91. Dilshan Madhushanka would be an avoid pick for Dambulla Sixers because of his poor returns in the last 3 games, where he has picked only 1 wicket. Kandy Falcons dominate the head-to-head record and would have edge in the match against Dambulla Sixers on Monday. Kandy Falcons have 85% chance of winning the match. Vinendu Hasaranga would be good choice for captain. Dinesh Chandimal will be a fine option for vice captain. और अब आती है हमारी फैंटेसी 11, जिसमें विकेट कीपर होंगे दिनेश चांदिमल, स्पेशलिस्ट बैटर्स होंगे कमेंदू मेंडिस, रेजा हेनरिक्स, मार्क चैपमैन और पवन रत्नायक। 3 ऑलराउंडर्स में हैं दसून शकाना, विनेंदु हासरांगा और ट्रिमेंदु विक्रमासिंघे। बॉलर्स के रूप में शामिल हैं नवून प्रदीप, नवून तुषारा और कसून रजीठा।